go. Come do it.
Here, the light doesn't stay. Jaxie, what are you doing? Go get your toy. Go walk over there. Go get it. As I see that dog again. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. You're holding on with one hand. Go get your toys. Go get him.
That's one lemon tree and a cherry tree.
He's trying. He's trying. Oh, he's just going to sit down and go get him. He just can't get around that corner.
There you go.
He's stuck on the corner.
It's okay. Come on.
Put him in the straight part. There you go. He wants you to sit him down. Okay, there you go, Jaxie. Now try again. Try right there. There you go. Now try. Look it. Get it, Jax. Get the pop bottle.
You can get it.
There you go. There you go, Jax. I saw a step. He did a step. He's doing steps. Uh-oh. Can you get it? Bend over and get it. That's pretty far down. Put that rattle at the end, Jason.
Here.
He says, how about I throw it?
Mom, you're missing it. Just did 2 steps.
Oh, well, I got it recording. He can do side steps. That's good. Good job, Jax. Yeah, big boy. That's a big boy. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
How you going to get down? Bend down. Go slow. Yay, Jaxie. Jaxie, look at Mama. Jax. That's not a baba. That's a pop. Pop. Yeah, pop.